Hey, what's up? Check it out. So today what we've got is we've got a pot here full of dirt. We've got some 16 gauge wire fencing, and we've got a couple grape cuttings. And so I'm going to show you how we make our little cages for our grapes. So what we first do is measure the inside of the pot by forming this into a circle. And I've cut the tines off to leave at the ends on here so that way I can twist them together. That way I don't have to have any special fasteners or anything crazy like that. So once we get a generalized shape of how small this needs to be, we can start twisting this together. Which it looks like pretty decent size initially. So what we'll do is we'll come in like this. I'm going to crisscross all these little rods. Just like that. Once I get them in there, I'm just going to twist it around like this and do that for the entire length. So we'll be right back with you when that's done. Alright, so once we had this twisted all the way up, what we're going to do is we're going to take the end that's got the bigger gaps in it, and we're going to stick it into the dirt, just like this. We're going to put it about halfway in the pot, and I've saved out some dirt for this, because we don't want this to fly away, or shudder, or move, or have any problems once the plant's in here. So what we do then is put our dirt in here, do the best you can. I'm doing the best I can, but cover the bottom of these tines up so that way this thing is rooted in here pretty nicely. You see now, it can't blow out and it's part of the planter. So now we're going to take our cutting, which we have several different lengths of vine here. You can't tell it's a really windy day here. Take our one cutting here, and what we'll do is clip this right below this branch here at an angle, just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to snip off these branches right here. Not all the way to the limb, but pretty close. We're actually going to snip this one off too. And then all we're going to do is take and seat this down into the dirt all the way down to the last spot we cut. And mounded the dirt a little bit around it. Now some people say you should clip the leaves on these when you do this. Some people say you shouldn't. If it survives, the leaves will fall off anyway, so it really doesn't matter. So then what you have is your cutting in here, and if it goes well, it should latch on and start growing, and you'll have a grape.